Happy Friday, y'all. So today is going to be a very short and simple day. So the first thing you need to do is click on classwork and scroll down to figurative language assignments. You are going to be doing the personification hyperbole assignment. It's just like yesterday's practice. It is in a Google form, so you have to make sure, just like I did one more time, click on the Google form and you will answer the 5 questions that are here for you. You are going to decide if the sentence that is read to you, whether it has personification or whether it is a hyperbole. Remember, personification gives human traits to objects or idea, and a hyperbole exaggerates or adds to a story. After you answer all the questions, you hit submit on here. Exit out of that. Once again, make sure you click on the Google form and then click submit. After you get done with the Google form, come back and hit submit on Google Classroom as well. After you get done with that, you'll scroll up. You go to chapter 16. You can either read chapter 16 on your own, or you can look at the wonderful video that I have created for you. And by look, I actually mean listen. You get to listen to me read to you. And that'll be it for today's work. Please make sure you're trying to get caught up on any assignments that you're missing. If you have any questions or concerns, shoot me an email. I know several of you are experiencing internet issues, and I totally get that because I'm having them as well. Just keep a good lookout and be positive about it. You know, go in, try to recheck, do your best as you can. These are different times for all of us. So with that being said, I hope you have a great weekend and that you enjoy yourself. I'll see you Monday.